In the following video, we are not looking for the future of a third dispute. All information provided here is for informational purposes only. Having seen the above video about air weapons ready for World War III, or if you haven't seen it, click here, then ground weapons ready for World War III. That is, info ballistic. And starting with the category of assault rifles, we make room for the new AK12 Shishmash rifle, which is the novel acquisition by the Russian Corps, of a rifle derived from the AK-74E, but which fulfills the task of a combat rifle, as with that of an assault rifle. It was designed in 2011, and approved by the Russian Army in 2013, but it was not until 2018, that it began production and commissioning. Carrier of the 5.45x39 ammo hinge, which has a deflection feature like the 5.56, but with much higher performance. It has 3 modes of fire: semi-automatic mode, short bursts of 3 shots, and full automatic fire. It has an enlarged charger compared to its predecessors, with 60 destructive bullets 5.45x39, and a rate of 700 shots per minute, with an effective range of 440 meters. This beauty was released on the battlefield for the first time, in the current conflict that the Soviet nation is going through, with its neighbor Ukraine. On the other hand, the Chinese nation has presented to the world its innovative and modern new generation assault rifle, the QBZ-191 rifle, which is the son of the QBZ-95, but with brand new advances and better reliability in different environments. It was designed by Norinco in 2014, and put into service in 2018, by the new Chinese program, Integrated Soldier Combat System, which aims to renew the PLA infantry equipment. It uses a 30-round magazine, fed from the 5.8x42mm cartridge, which has an effective range of 400 meters, and develops a muzzle velocity of 930 meters per second. The rifle features a 4-position adjustable shield, an ambidextrous fire selector, and an extended magazine lock handle, just in front of the trigger guard, for quick reloading or easier use with gloves. It has new polymer magazines, which have a redesigned surface finish for a better grip, and a transparent window to check the cartridge count. And on the American side, we have the XM7 assault rifle, which is born through the Next Generation Squad Weapons program, in 2022, with the aim of replacing the M4 carbine. Designed by the German company Sig Sauer in 2019, and put into service in the past year 2022. The XM7 uses the new and powerful 6.8x51mm cartridge, or better known as the .277 Fury. This in response to the fact that traditional American cartridges such as 5.56 or 7.62 NATO were already presenting problems, efficiently going through the improvements in modern bulletproof vests. The 277 Fury has a weight of 8.7 grams, and a speed of 914 meters per second, plus a power of 3,650 joules when impacting any surface. The Army Times described it as a 6.8mm medium caliber cartridge. The ballistics of the 277 Fury suggest that it is likely a full-power cartridge, due to the higher possible chamber pressure, velocity, and energy versus the 7.62x51 on target. And moving on to the line of motor vehicles, we welcome the most advanced war tanks currently in service on the market, starting with the Russian T14 Armada, which is the new Russian war tank, of a new generation, which was seen for the first time in 2015, in the Moscow Victory Parade, considered as the candidate to become the best in the world. Due to its state-of-the-art technology, which is based on artificial intelligence. The T14 Armada do not need to aim precisely, but it is enough to do it approximately, since the electronics will do everything else. That is, it will accurately determine the distance to the target and point the weapon towards it. It consists of a 125mm smoothbore cannon, and a remote-controlled 7.62mm machine gun, plus an unmanned turret that is activated by remote control. It has newly developed base armor made of steel, ceramic, and composite materials. It can launch anti-tank guided missiles, in the same way as ordinary projectiles, and it is equipped with a diesel engine, which develops 1,200 horsepower. Additionally, Armada has a new type of explosive reactive armor, which complements Malekith. The tank has a new anti-targeting system, which reduces the chance of being hit by the enemy ATGW semi-automatic guide. As long as the crew compartment is intact, the tank can operate even with armor penetration. All this for a price of about $7 million. And going down a few thousand kilometers to the south, we have the main battle tank, the Chinese Type 99, which is a further development of the Type 98 MBT. The Type 99, revealed in 2000, entered service with the Chinese Army in 2001. This main battle tank displays a mix of Russian and Western influences in its design and technology. Currently, it is the most advanced Chinese main battle tank. The Type 99 has additional modular, wedge-shaped, Leopard 2A5 style explosive reactive armor. The frontal protection of the Type 99 MBT is equivalent to 1,000 to 1,200 mm of steel armor. The vehicle is equipped with NBC protection and automatic fire extinguishing systems. This battle tank is equipped with a unique laser protection system, which uses a high-powered laser to disrupt laser missiles or infrared guidance signal, disable enemy sighting optics, and damage the enemy gunner's sight. This laser protection system can also be used against helicopters. The Type 99 tank is armed with a fully stabilized 125 mm ZPT-98 smoothbore gun fitted with a carousel-type autoloader. Both the main gun and the autoloader were copied from Russian designs. The Type 99 has a rate of fire of 8 revolutions per minute with autoloader and 1 to 2 RPM with manual loading. Fires APF-SDS, heat, and HE-frag rounds. This MBT is also reported to use more capable APF-SDS rounds with depleted uranium penetrators. Secondary armament consists of a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun and a 12.7 mm anti-aircraft machine gun. This for about $2,500,000. And on the other hand, and in the opposite location, the United States presents the powerful tank, M1A2, SEP V3, which is a more modern technological version of the old M1 Abrams. This model advances some of the capabilities of this platform, which differentiate it from its predecessor. It is a tank equipped with improved armor protection, and a computer with a new generation command and control system, better infrared sensors, to identify targets from a greater distance, and an integrated mobile auxiliary power unit. These armored vehicles include improvements in force protection and system survivability, as well as higher lethality compared to previous M1A1 and M1A2 variants. The Abrams integrates quite significant armor, heavy exterior composite, and depleted uranium armor, clad in steel in the forward hull and turret, to offer a high level of protection to its crew. The tank has a range of 426 kilometers, and can travel at a top speed of 67.5 kilometers per hour. Among many things, new technologies belong to the massive boom in ongoing strategic and tactical expansion of unmanned systems, multi-domain air-ground connectivity, and much better interconnected maneuver warfare formations. The M1A2 SEP entered service with the United States Army in 1992, and this tank is expected to remain in service beyond 2050. This for a price of about $6.2 million.
And you, which side are you going to? Leave your opinion in the comment box. This was Info Ballistic.